In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a border around text in Google Sites. If you've been trying to make a piece of text stand out on your page, one simple way to do that in Google Sites is by using a button style with an outline. This gives your text a clean border effect without needing any extra design tools or custom code. To begin, open your Google site and go to the page where you want the bordered text to appear. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can add and adjust elements on the page. Once you're there, look over to the right-hand side where the editing options are available. From the insert tools, click on Button. In Google Sites, buttons are useful not just for navigation, but also for creating text that has a styled container around it. That's what we'll use here to create the border effect. After clicking Button, a small setup box will appear. In the text field, enter the name or wording you want to display inside the border. This should be the exact text that you want visitors to see on the page. Keep it short and clear so it looks neat once the button is added. Next, click into the link field. In this example, you'll link it to Intro. This is useful if you want the bordered text to send visitors to a section of your page or another destination in your site. If you already have a section named Intro, selecting it will connect the button to that part of the page. This makes the element both decorative and functional. Once that's set, click Insert. Your button will now appear on the page. At this stage, it may still have the default filled style, which looks more like a solid button than bordered text. That's completely normal. Now click on the style drop-down that currently says Filled. This opens the available button style options. The filled version adds a background color, but if your goal is to create a border around the text, you'll want to switch styles. From the drop-down, choose Outlined. As soon as you do that, the button changes to a bordered style, giving your text a visible outline around it. This is the effect you're looking for, and that's it. You've successfully created text with a border in Google Sites by using the Outlined button option. If you want the result to look even better, try placing it near a heading or in a section where you want to draw attention. It's a simple trick, but it can really improve the visual structure of your site.